Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking the essentials. Make sure your GPU and CPU temps are stable and fan profiles are active so thermal throttling isn't hiding behind high FPS. Update your GPU drivers and the game's patches. Once done, switch the game to full-screen exclusive and close overlays. This reduces input lag and frame timing jitter. While you're at it, kill heavy background processes and set power plans to high performance so the system won't downclock during intense scenes. Next, measure the problem. Run frametime tools like RTSS or PresentMon to see spikes and microstutter patterns so you know whether frames are unevenly spaced. Then, tweak driver options, set low latency modes, adjust power management to prefer maximum performance, and experiment with shader cache. Once you have data, test buffering and sync settings. Turn VSync off, try triple buffering or a hard frame limit via Riva Tuner. This pinpoints whether the issue is scheduling, drivers, or buffering behavior. Finish by stabilizing the pipeline. Set a modest frame cap slightly below your monitor's refresh so frame delivery evens out. Enable adaptive sync like G-Sync or FreeSync and align the game frame rate to that range. Also optimize in-game settings that cause CPU spikes such as streaming distance or physics. If you still see hitching, revert to a previous driver or create a clean user profile and test there. This isolates corrupted settings or third-party interference and resolves lingering microstutter in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.